Project code ITRSSI12. Project title: A system for detection and tracking of human movements using RSSI. So aim of project is to develop and prevent the human coming in the restricted areas. So in real time scenario, in restricted areas, we don't know the third persons coming nearby the restricted area. For example, take as an example bank. We have locker in banks. So in bank, the locker will not be notified all the time. There will be CCTV, but when if any other third person came near means we don't get alert. Okay, after missing after the money theft, we on that time only we check the CCTV and look for the theft person. But this method will overcome that. So in existing, that is in real time scenario, human tracking in restricted area done manually. So existing. So human movements inside the all can't be monitored or tracked. Can't be monitored or tracked. So drawbacks. So tracking may not be accurate. May not be accurate. In unauthorized or restricted place, humans entering cannot be notified. Cannot be notified. So proposed in proposed system using RSSI. Using RSSI, we going to track the movements of the humans. So advantages. So whenever the person enters or came near enters or came nearby the restricted area, came nearby the restricted area, buzzer alarm, buzzer alarms. So block diagram. So RSSI. So RSSI technology we implementing in our concept to track the human movements inside the restricted areas, not inside the nearby the restricted areas. Okay, so RSSI abbreviation is received signal strength, received signal strength indication, received signal strength indication. Using this, we are going to implement the project. So If signal strength itself, we can conclude there will be two devices. So one will be in transmitter and another one will be in receiver. So transmitter side will be mobile phone. So mobile phone we use Wi-Fi. So if we turn on Wi-Fi hotspot means there will be a Wi-Fi signal generation. Turn on hotspot means there will be signal generation, that is RSSI TX. Okay, this strength, if signal strength is weak means there is no human nearby the restricted area. If signal strength is high means there is a human nearby the restricted area. So this is transmitter part. In receiver part, we have one controller. So controller will be in the restricted area. Okay, so RSSI RX, that is Wi-Fi receiver, will receive signals. If received signal is high means there is a person nearby the restricted area. If the received signal is less, there is no presence nearby the restricted area. So once the signal is get higher means then alarm light. So here we use LED and buzzer, and in LCD we display the output, the status of the controller, and there will be a module, APR module, that is predefined voice, that the voice will be recorded before itself and played when the condition satisfied by the controller. So voice played in the speaker. So if the person nearby the restricted area means the voice will play. There is a person in nearby the restricted area. Okay, so this is the receiver part. So hardware used. So Arduino Uno. It's 8-bit microcontroller. 8-bit microcontroller. Its IC name is Atmega 328. It consists 0 to 13 digital pins, and it consists A0 to A5 analog pins. Its operating voltage is 5 volt DC, and it contains one serial communication. So this is Arduino Uno controller, and here we use RSSI module, that is Wi-Fi module. Wi-Fi module. So Wi-Fi model number is ESP8266. So using this device measures signal strength. So third one, LCD displays displays output. It consists 16 columns and 2 rows. And buzzer and LED. Buzzer and LED. So alarm light, and this is for alarm sound. And we use APR module. So this is voice record and play module. So we can record the voice before the condition, before the implementation, and and it will play whenever the condition is satisfied by the controller. So played in the speaker, voice played in the speaker, voice will be played in the speaker. Okay, this is hardware explanation and software. So software, here we use Arduino controller. So Arduino controller has its own IDE. So it's software. Open source software. In this we develop instructions to be executed by the controller. Develop instructions that to be executed by the controller, by the microcontroller. And second one, embedded C. It's a programming language used in the controllers, used in the microcontrollers. So real-time example, human tracking in restricted area. Human tracking in restricted area. So conclusion, using RSSI, we can track the movements of the human nearby the restricted area. Thank you.